funny thing is, everybody has a passion. Everybody likes to build this one thing. Yeah. And one good example is over here. Now here's a product people are just dying to get. Yes, it's a casket. And the bookshelf.
Yeah. It's such a cute shape too.
Nice.
That's very nice. Very nice.
It doesn't work like you think it works. Okay. Air heats up in here, of course. Comes in down here, sorry. Comes up here, raises to the top like hot air does, gets pushed down through the fruit. That's all kind of normal. What you can't see is down there, there's a hole, and this whole back wall here is a false wall and a chimney. Shut this thing. So this is a hollow space right here, and it causes a draft up, causing tension in there. It comes out there, and so it's actually the air draft rather than the temperature that's drying the fruit. So this is this farm tractor here is one of the hearts of the operation. I've been logging with this since '96, and any log in Montana, this thing can drag.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, all those big yellow machines you see in the woods, I don't know what they're up to. This thing uses about 8 gallons of diesel on a hard day, and it's got a winch on the back with 160 feet of cable, so I don't need to get near the tree. We just put one nice trail through the woods and we winch everything to that. It's old growth larch. It's some really nice wood.
Or something.
It was nicer when it was standing, but yeah. And our job, oddly, we get into trouble a lot because we talk more people into leaving trees than we do taking them. And the best way for a landowner to save money on lumber is to keep custody of the log. So he owns this log. We're going to mill it up for him and make him a giant banquet table out of it.
Say cheese.
And this, then here we have a little A horizon. A always means organics intimately mixed with mineral. And here we have a huge A horizon. That's not normal. Not normal at all. Next, usually in a forest situation, you have something called an E horizon. And that's real pale. And it's because everything's been leached out of it, including the clay. And then the next on down from there is a B horizon. And that's where all the clay went to. Yeah. Yeah. And soil's very dynamic. It goes places, up and down wise. So all this stuff gets deposited at depth. Lucky for us, that's where clay is the most useful, at depth, where it's got great water holding capacity and all that stuff. And then that means the rooting zone actually is well aerated. Plants need oxygen more than people think. It's something to really consider when you guys are growing stuff, is soil oxygen or soil gas exchange.
What is low?
Yeah, but what you see around you is not what was here. And you know what? I don't restore to what was here. I don't do that. What I try to restore things to these days is a situation that's compatible with human populations, to be honest, because it's the human population that creates the abuse. It's a lot like if you have a tree and you bump your head against a branch every day and you're breaking twigs off, you're actually hurting that tree. So remove that limb, make the tree compatible with yourself, and you'll both be happier.
Let's give Mark a hand for this great work. Yeah.
And now we'll see if I can get the truck started.